Have you ever wanted a plant that looks stunning, purifies your air, barely needs any care, and thrives almost anywhere in your home? Meet the Sansevieria, also known as the snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. This is not just a plant, it's a statement piece, a natural air purifier, and a perfect companion for beginners and plant lovers alike. Today, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about why this plant is a must-have in your home, how to care for it with almost zero effort, the best spots to place it for maximum visual and health benefits, and why it will instantly elevate the elegance of any space. So let's dive into the world of Sansevieria. Sansevieria is a tough, architectural plant that comes in a variety of species and sizes. Its upright, sword-like leaves grow vertically and can be dark green, striped, or even edged in golden or silver tones. Some popular varieties include Sansevieria trifasciata laurenti, with yellow edges, Sansevieria cylindrica with round tube-like leaves, Sansevieria moonshine with silvery pale green leaves. It's a plant that not only adapts to its surroundings but enhances them. Now let's talk about the amazing benefits of having a snake plant in your home. 1. Air purification. Sansevieria is one of the top air-purifying plants according to NASA's Clean Air study. It removes toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and toluene from the air, making your indoor environment healthier. 2. Releases oxygen at night. Unlike most plants, the snake plant performs CAM photosynthesis, meaning it releases oxygen at night. This makes it one of the best plants for your bedroom, helping improve air quality while you sleep. 3. Low maintenance. If you're someone who forgets to water your plants, this one won't mind. It thrives on neglect. Water it once every 2 to 3 weeks, even once a month in winter, and it'll still look fabulous. 4. Pest resistant. Very few pests dare to touch it. It's practically immune to most common houseplant problems. 5. Improves home aesthetics. With its bold shape and striking colors, the Sansevieria brings a modern, minimalistic, and elegant touch to any corner. Whether you prefer Scandinavian, boho, industrial, or contemporary styles, it fits right in. So, where should you place this beauty in your home? 1. Living room. Placing a tall Sansevieria next to a couch, shelf, or in an empty corner can instantly enhance your living space. It adds height and style without needing much light or care. 2. Bedroom. Because it releases oxygen at night, this is one of the best plants for your bedside table or near a window in the bedroom. It promotes better sleep and clean air. 3. Entryway or hallway. It thrives in low-light areas, so placing it in an entry hall or foyer will keep that space looking fresh and stylish. 4. Home office or desk. Sansevieria brings a calm, clean energy to your workspace. It's also known in feng shui to bring protective energy and positivity. 5. Bathroom. As long as there's some natural light, a snake plant can even do well in your bathroom, helping to absorb excess moisture and add greenery to small spaces. Now, let's talk care tips. Don't worry, it's one of the easiest plants to grow. Water. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is the only real way to harm this plant. Use the touch the soil rule. If it feels dry, water it. If not, wait. Light. It tolerates low light but thrives in indirect bright light. Just don't put it under direct sun all day. It can scorch the leaves. Temperature. Keep it between 15 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't like frost, so if you live in a cold climate, keep it indoors during winter. Soil. Use well-draining soil. A cactus or succulent mix works great. You can also add perlite or pumice to regular soil to improve drainage. Fertilizer. Feed it once every 2 to 3 months during spring and summer with a mild liquid fertilizer. You can skip feeding in fall and winter. Propagation. Easy to propagate. You can divide the plant or take leaf cuttings and root them in water or soil. Here's a quick but important note. Sansevieria is mildly toxic to pets if ingested, so if you have curious cats or dogs that like to nibble, place it out of their reach. To sum it up, elegant, air purifying, low maintenance, versatile in style, perfect for almost every room. Whether you're decorating a minimalist loft, a cozy studio, or a family home, the Sansevieria adapts beautifully to your space and routine. It's a plant that gives you more than you give it. Now that you know how perfect the Sansevieria is for your indoor space, why not explore other plants that are just as easy to care for and even more delicate and modern? Check out my video on plants you can grow in water. They're stylish, space-saving, and bring a luxurious touch to any corner of your home. Just click the link at the end of this video or in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more plant inspiration every week. See you in the next one.